Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I haven't posted in a long time, and honestly, life has just been life in. So I thought the perfect time to post a video would be me cleaning my bathroom, and then this is just me just doing a whole reset of my bathroom a little bit. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you how I clean my bathroom. I didn't do a huge deep clean, but I definitely did a really good thorough clean. So if you want to keep on watching, then let's go ahead and get into the video. So I started off with my cabinet, the under the sink cabinet. This is how it was looking. It looked unorganized and a mess. I just have random stuff in there. Not a whole bunch of random stuff, but I just have a lot of stuff that needed to be either decluttered or just thrown away. So that's what I'm starting off. I'm taking out all of this stuff in under the cabinet and I'm just kind of setting it on the floor. And then I'll go ahead and throw away anything that's empty, any products that are empty. I'll go ahead and throw that away. And then once everything is cleaned from under the sink, I'm taking this Clorox disinfecting wipes and I'm just wiping under the sink down because it was dusty. There was a little bit of product from, my hair products and stuff like that. And so I just wanted to have a clean base. And this is how it was looking after I wiped it down really good. So next I'm just going through the bins that have my hair products in them, and then I'm just going through and decluttering and seeing which products don't have any more product in it or which one is old. This Shine Jam that I usually use, I left the cap off for a really long time, so it was crusty and dusty. So I'm taking this trash can next to me so that I can throw away all of the products that need to be thrown away. So once I kind of went through and saw all the products that I need to throw away, now I'm just taking out all of my products that I still want to keep or that I'm still using. And I'm just going to wipe down the bin itself with another Clorox wipe. And now I'm putting back all the products back in. I wanted to kind of let the products stand up, but it didn't fit that way, so I had to just lay them down. But I tried to lay them down as neatly as possible. And I tried to put anything that could stand up, like this Eco Gel that was small enough to stand up. I kept that standing up, but all the products that were too tall, then I just laid them down. And I tried to organize it in a way that products that I was using the most, I wanted to put them more to the front, and then products that I don't use, like my heat protectant and things like that, I don't really use those unless I'm straightening my hair, so I kind of put those towards the back. And then I kept switching the products around because I didn't really know exactly how I wanted to put them in, especially because they were laying down. So I just tried to put the ones that I use the most on top, and if I didn't use that product as much, then I would you put it on the bottom or towards the bottom. So now that one is done, I'm going to move on to the next bin, which I keep basically all my hot tools in, and all my flat irons and hair curlers, and then my hair jewels. I keep all of those in there, as well as my diffuser and everything. And all of my hair jewels fell out of the container that they were in because it was broken. But I'm basically just doing the same thing that I did with other bin. I'm taking out everything, and then I'm going to wipe the bin down with a Clorox wipe, and then try to organize it as best as I can to make it look nice and presentable. Okay, so next I'm taking this little white like storage drawer, and it's where I basically keep all of my hair brushes, detangling brushes, all of my hair tools that I use to detangle my hair, combs, bristle brushes, all the things like that. I'm just taking all of those out. They needed to be cleaned. I didn't thoroughly clean them, but I just kind of like took all the hair out, and I had other stuff in there that didn't need to be in there. And then in the bottom drawers, I kind of just have random miscellaneous stuff, like Q-tips, extra toothpaste, some Nair, my razors, things like that. So I just wanted to have that a little bit more organized. So next I'm doing the sink and just decluttering the sink and wiping it down. So I'm taking off everything, and then I'm going to wipe it down with one of the Clorox wipes. Honestly, that was like the most thing that I use because I just feel like Clorox wipes, their disinfecting wipes, are so much easier to use. So I'm just wiping it down, and then I decided to add some Mr. Clean, this like liquid cleaner, to the sink just so I can really scrub the sink down, and I'm making sure to get the faucet and everything as well. And then I'm using these Windex wipes to clean my mirrors, and these are so much easier. Like, I don't know, I love using wipes better than just using like spray and a cloth. I just feel like they're just easier to use, and you can just throw them away when you're done. Okay, so next I'm gonna clean the toilet, and like I've been using before, I'm just using the disinfectant wipes to wipe it down and wipe down the seat and behind the seat. And I know I'm not using gloves. I wish I had some, but I honestly just forgot to pick some up, and I wasn't gonna go out of my way just to get them. I just made sure I washed my hands really, really thoroughly after. So I'm doing the toilet all over the seat and making sure to get every crevice, because honestly, I just feel like the toilet is like the nastiest part in the bathroom. So you want to make sure you clean that really, really well. So once I'm done cleaning the toilet, I'm gonna go ahead and take the trash out, put a new trash bag in, and then I'm gonna wipe down the trash can with a disinfectant wipe as well, just to make sure there's no debris or anything that's on the trash can that could be gross. And then I'm not gonna put the trash can back because I know I want to sweep and mop later, so I'm just setting that like outside of the bathroom. Okay, so next is a shower. It wasn't too bad. It just needed to be really organized. I have this black shelf that you see that has like all my products on it. And then I have products on the tub as well. And I just needed more storage space. When I had moved, I had two of these black shelves. I got these shelves from Amazon. I think they're amazing, but when I had moved, they just didn't stick back on that well. And so I had to end up getting new shelves. So I'm taking everything off so I can take the shelf off and clean any like residue from the sticky adhesive that's being held onto it. Okay, so for resealing this, when I moved, like I said, I had moved and I had stuck these on to my new shower. So they did hold up pretty well for a good like couple months, but they started to not hold up as well. It started to come off. So taking these off was a little bit of a hassle, but it wasn't too bad. And I did have some sticky adhesive that I had to kind of like peel off with my fingers off of the tile. But now I'm taking all of the products from my tub and I'm just taking that off so that I can clean my tub thoroughly. Okay, so I ended up doing this backwards, but before I actually clean the tub, I'm using some alcohol to wipe where I want to put my new shelves. I realized the new shelves that I was putting up, you have to let them sit for at least 24 hours before actually like getting anything wet. So that's what I'm doing first. But these are the shelves. I got these from Amazon. I'll link them down in the description box below if you would like shelves like these. But they're corner shelves, and I wanted them to match my shower head, so I got these silver ones. Okay, so it comes with two shelves. The shelves have these hooks on the side where you can like hang like your loofah, razor. One is slightly smaller than the other one, so you could just like pick and choose how you want to arrange them. I put the smaller one on top and then the bigger one on the bottom. And then it also comes with a bar soap holder, and it also comes with self-adhesive strips so that you can hang them, and they were really easy to use. So now I'm just trying to line up like where exactly I want them to be placed, and I was trying to line it up with the lines in the tile in the shower. So I just tried my best to do it that way to see if they were even. Okay, so I already did one, but I'm just going to show you. You just take off the paper from the self-adhesive, and then you stick it onto the wall or wherever you want to place it. And then you put the shelf on, snap the shelf onto the hooks that it comes with. So it's super easy. It only took about like 5 minutes, and then I just kind of rubbed the adhesive to make sure that there's no air bubbles in it. But I did this for all 3 of the little shelves, and it came out so nice. I really loved it, and I loved how it looked. Next, I'm still taking this cleaner, and I'm gonna fill the bathtub with some really hot water and some of this cleaner, and then I'm gonna take my scrubber and basically just scrub down the whole bathtub and the tiles, the walls, but I'm gonna avoid the area where I just put the shelves on, just because I don't want to get that area wet or anything. So now I'm just putting everything back, and I tried to put it where all my bath stuff was on the bottom shelf and all of my hair stuff was on the top shelf. But now I'm gonna sweep and mop, and I'm just using this vacuum just to kind of get up all of the dirt, and then I'm just using this Swiffer wet jet to mop. Okay, so to organize a little bit more, I got this 3-tiered like shelf thing from Ross, and I wanted it to face this way, but it wasn't fitting, so I turned it around the other way. And I'm just gonna put, I got this fake plant. I also got this from Ross, and I was gonna put that on the top as well as this candle. And then I decided to put my Epsom salt in this jar. I got this jar from Walmart. It was only like $4. And then I'm just putting other things on there, such as my scrub and extra bars of soap. And then on the bottom, I just put extra toilet paper. Okay, so this is how my bathroom was looking like before. It was really just cluttered and kind of like deorganized. And now this is what it looks like now. It's so nice. It looks a lot better. It looks a lot more inviting. And I know that sounds weird for it being a bathroom, but I loved how it turned out, and I really just needed to kind of like get in there and clean and declutter. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!